1976. He did general orthopedics and now focuses in reconstructive lumbar, spinal, and forefoot surgery. With the late Dr. Bob Begg, he was one of the first to provide orthopedic consultation and limited scope surgery at rural areas to try to provide services more locally and to preserve the local hospital's ability to do some meaningful surgical care, to try to decompress the Saskatoon surgical load. After graduating from high school in La Flèche, Saskatchewan, he completed an MD in residency in orthopedic surgery at the U of S. I actually worked with him on 2DE when he was a resident. He doesn't remember that, I bet. His education continued as the Fellow of Royal College of Physicians and Surgeons and Diplomat of the American Board of Orthopedic Surgeons, and fellowships with Dr. Kirkcaldy Willis in Saskatoon and Dr. Ian McNabb in Toronto. His medical administration roles began early in his practice. He was head of orthopedic surgery at Saskatoon City Hospital, St. Paul's, and jointly of both before consolidation, plus the chief of medical staff at City Hospital. He has served on the senior administrative committee overseeing amalgamation and in several roles with the Saskatchewan Medical Association. Congratulations. Nettie McPeak. Nettie Antoinette is thankful to have grown with the continual changing science